Hi, everybody. Say hi. See, we're right here. I know it's really light, but it doesn't matter if you can see me that well or not, because I want you to look at the background. I have posted new dates for your research paper. Yeah, this is high school. So, the 20 note cards have been due. I think everybody's done. If you're not done, you better hurry up and get those done. And I guess post a picture. I don't know. I think everybody has them done. Okay. So as for the rough draft, today is March 31st. So it's our first day. It's our first day back at school. And I am giving you guys, because you're about halfway through the research paper rough draft, I'm giving you until April 10th. All of you should have taken your packet, your rough draft packets home. If not, I am going to post, like I have been, the pages for each one with a video. I know that a lot of you might not have printers at home. You can, if worse no. If worse comes to worse, you can type on it and share it with me, but I really just hope everybody took their hard copies home. If you didn't, please message me. And you guys know, hold on, I'm getting a message. You guys know you can, on Google Classroom, you can type messages, like below and press enter and I'll see them. Do you want down? Or you can email me. You guys are going to start having to check your email in Google Classroom every day. Now, here's the dates. Rough draft, your packet that you're going to write on, hopefully, is due April 10th. Since you guys have a lot of time and the weekends now, that should be enough time. If I'm realizing that it's not, we'll change it. Just let me know. Your Works Cited is going to be due April 15th. And I'm going to make a video for that. And really, we can sit down and do it together. Since you guys hopefully took your note cards home too. So you should have, all you have to do is type them up because they're already done. Now, your final draft typed up, so everything from the packet, you're going to type up in MLA format, and we'll do that together. There should be, I don't know if 8, yeah, there should be 8 different, or wait a minute, I think it's 7 different paragraphs. It says 8 right here. I'll change that. No, it's 5 body paragraphs and then an intro and a conclusion. I must have cut it down for you guys. Anyway, that's what will be due typed up. Now, when you type it up, it's not going to be a page long like your rough draft, and that's okay. I'll make a video for that, and we'll go through that together. Hey, get out of there. Did you put your car in there? So like I said, I'm going to make a video for each paragraph. I'm going to go back and make a new video for the introduction paragraph. I know we did that together in class, but just in case you feel like yours isn't how you want it to be or you want to redo it or whatever. So each paragraph, I will put a video with it, and they're not going to be long. And you guys really are just on your own to get this done by April 10th. Hey, no, that's heavy. Okay. You want to... So, I'm actually recording this early, but by March 31st, everything should be posted, and you guys can be and should be emailing me and messaging me on Google Classroom. If you have a question that you think the whole class might have too, you can post it and we can get a discussion going. That's fine. I will check in obviously every day and see what emails I'm getting, what posts you guys are putting on here. But basically everything is on Google Classroom right now that you need to finish your paper. Okay? Your rough draft, not the final draft. So you're on your own to work on your own time. Again, if you have questions or you're confused or you watch my video 50 times and you still don't get it, email me and message me. I'll put my email on this post at the bottom. I'll change the paragraphs and I'll add my email. Okay? I hope you guys are had a good spring break and that you're staying inside and being healthy and still washing your hands. Remember, this is a huge grade, and just because we're home doesn't mean we're going to cancel it. Just learning how to write, it's going to be a little different. Okay? Again, email me, message me, let me know if you have any questions or concerns. All right, bye guys.